Hello, my dear students. Once again, we are here with one more important concept of class 11th. Chapter is some basic concept of chemistry and topic is concentration terms. Before moving ahead, I would like to focus on some basic term, that is solute, solvent, solution, etc. So solution is nothing but mixture of salt plus solute plus solvent. Solute, that is present in lesser amount, and solvent which is present in larger quantity, correct? Here I took two beaker. In beaker 1 I add 1 tablespoon of salt, and salt is NaCl. In beaker 2 I added 5 tablespoon of salt, that is a solute NaCl in 100 ml of H2O. So solute, that is NaCl, and solvent, that is water, when both will mixed with each other, they will form salt solution. Now question is that why it is diluted and why it is concentrated. Diluted means solution in which less amount of solute is present, and concentrated means more amount of solute is present with respect to each other. Here 1 tablespoon, here 5 tablespoon, or we can say it can be around 2 gram or it can be around 10 gram. So it is gram of solute present in 100 ml of solvent, and both together will form solution. I can consider this amount of solute in terms of mole as well. What is mole? Mole is nothing but mass of solute divided by molar mass of that particular solute, or mass of solvent divided by molar mass of that particular solvent, correct? So here mole of NaCl is nothing but, in first case it is 2 divided by 58.5. What is 2? 2 gram, that is mass of salt, that is NaCl, and 23 plus 35.5, it is mass of, it is basically molar mass of NaCl. So what is it is around, how much? It is around 58.5. In another case, here it is 10 gram of solvent NaCl, its molar mass is 58.5. So here mole of NaCl is more as compared to in first beaker. Here mole of NaCl is more as compared to mole of NaCl in first beaker. It means it is concentrated solution, it is diluted solution, or we can say here 2 gram solute, here 10 gram solute. So it can be diluted, and it is nothing but it is concentrated with respect to each other, correct? So next is concentration term, is nothing but to show how much amount of solute is added to that particular solvent or particular solution. And for this term we will use 4 parameter. Number 1 mass percentage, number 2 molarity, number 3 molality, and number 4 mole fraction. Students, one thing is very common here, that is amount of solute, whether it is in mass or in mole, it is dissolved in solvent or solution. Means solute is going to be added in that particular solvent or particular solution, whether it is in mole, whether it is in gram. So we will see one by one. Number 1 mass percentage, that is W by W percentage. How we will define mass of solute in gram? See here, mass of solute in gram present in 100 gram of solution, means some amount of solute is present in fixed amount of solution, correct? So it is what? W by W percentage. Next is what? Next is molarity. What is this? Mole of solute. What is this? Mole of solute. Mole of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Again, mole of solute can be vary, but solution amount is fixed, it is 1 liter, correct? So its unit will be mole per liter. We can further define mole of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. It is nothing but it is molarity. If we will gonna explain, that is what is molality, that it is small m. Here number of mole of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Here it is number of mole of solute present in 1 kg of the solvent. Here parameters are same in which solute are going to be dissolved in solution or solvent. But the statement, the word or whatever we are saying, it can be differ. In somewhere mole can be added, in somewhere mass is going to be added, in somewhere we are adding solute in solvent, in somewhere we are adding solute to the solution. Correct? Next is mole fraction. What is mole fraction? It is ratio of mole of one component to the total number of moles of all the component present in the solution. Here solute plus solvent making solution. So that mole fraction of solute will be what? Mole of solute. Whatever for which component we are going to calculate mole fraction, we have to put for that mole fraction of solute divide by mole of solute total divide by mole of solution. What is mole of solution? Mole of solute plus mole of solvent equal to mole of solution. Suppose we have to calculate mole fraction of solvent, then what we will do? We will do mole fraction of solvent divide by mole of solution, mole of solvent divide by mole of solution, because he is asking about mole fraction of solvent. In case of mole fraction of solute, we will divide mole fraction mole of solute divide by mole of solution. It is nothing but fraction of moles. Okay, see here again solute is going to be added in solution. Correct? Solute is going to be added in solution. That means some amount of solute in the form of mole is adding in fixed amount or some amount of solution which is also in mole. In case of molality, number of mole of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Unit is mole per kg. In case of molarity, number of mole of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Unit is mole per liter. In case of mass percentage, mass of solute in gram present in 100 gram of solution. So it is nothing but the deciding factor or for that particular amount of solute which is added in solution, whether it is in mole, it is in gram, or it is adding in solute or solvent. Correct? We will calculate the exact strength of solution by using these 4 parameters. Correct? So in our next upcoming video lecture, we will talk about separate discussion on mass percentage and then molarity and mole fraction, and we will solve some numerical problem which is based on your textbook or our own problem. And it is better to understand that first we will understand this concept in better way. For upcoming video it will be enhance of our knowledge or concept. Correct? So better students revise this concept, that is concentration term. We will discuss one by one in our next video lecture, and we will solve some numerical problem also. So till then, thank you, thanks a lot. Go for this, watch this and try to understand this. Correct? And in case of any doubt, you can comment me or you can directly talk to me. Thank you, thanks a lot.